1, 2, 3. It's Cruise Day!
This is Carol with Solo Cruising and More. This cruise was not only put together by me to celebrate a milestone birthday, but also to celebrate over 40 years of friendship with 6 of my closest friends from elementary, junior high, and high school. Their friends and family as well. My oldest grandson came, my middle son, and my middle daughter and her partner JC. My sister also, who has known me the longest, and my niece and nephew. You'll find out later how this all came together, so stay tuned, and thank you for clicking on this video.
Action! All right, this is Carol, Solo Cruising and More. I am embarking on my birthday cruise. I'm turning 60, sweet 60, sassy 60. I'm turning 60. And there's my sister in the background. Yes, and we are gonna have a great 5 days. We're on the Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas out of Galveston. We are stopping in Cozumel, Costa Maya first, and then Cozumel. All right, so we are gonna have a fun 5 days. I'm gonna keep you all posted and as much as possible. Here we go, it's Cruise Day.
The embarkation at Royal Caribbean Galveston Cruise Terminal was so smooth that part of our group were already headed to the ship when some of us stopped to take these pics. I don't remember waiting in any lines. Everyone had their boarding passes printed, passports, and proper ID.
All right, we are in the gangway. Like I always say, this is my favorite. There's my sister. Oh wait, sister, and that's my niece and my nephew, first time cruisers. This is great. Oh, here we go. We're about to, let's see how my hat's doing. I don't know. I think my hat's gonna fall off. Yes, thank you. All right, we are officially on the ship. You are now on a ship. Okay, let's see who is behind us. Oh, there she is. There they are, coming over. Now you are officially on the ship.
So a little bit about how this friends and family group came together. I love to cruise on my birthday. Solo, with friends, family. And after all my cruises, I would post pictures about the ports and the ships. Well, my friends and family would say, I'd like to go on a cruise, so let me know the next time you're going. I knew I had a milestone birthday coming, so I contacted a travel agent, put together a flyer, DM my friends and family.
All week, we recording you. Yes, we are. All right, and I'm going to go around, show you who's here. I mean, there's a lot of other people here, but I'm just going to show you because we're about to get out into the water. And while my internet is still working, I just want everybody to see. My dad wanted me to go on and do a Facebook Live. Let me see if I can. Okay, I'll just get everybody. Okay, Elvin.
So I got a lot of interest and questions, but no solid commitments. My son was already committed to come with me, so I really didn't give it another thought. I took a trip to Washington State in March of 2024 to visit my dad and sisters. I'm originally from Tacoma, Washington, and I moved to Oklahoma in the year 2000. I called up a couple of my high school girlfriends to see if we could schedule a lunch date. Well, it turned into a dinner with a large group of my elementary, junior high, and high school friends. We had so much fun that night, so by chance, I just happened to bring up the birthday cruise.
You said,
Yay! All right. Okay, Lydia, go ahead and do a presentation for us.
welcome back to Auntie Carol's page. Here we are on the cruise ship. I'm here with my co-pilot, Zar. Me and Zar are reporting live from the cruise ship.
We're gonna go up to the room. Time to come with
They're
us.
about to go to the room.
We're gonna go check out.
We just got done eating. This man over here really enjoys chocolate cake and chicken. Ariana's good. Hello from Ariana. She's having a great time. Back to the culprit. Back to this man who should be imprisoned. This man right here said, you know what would be, I'm going to get some chocolate cake and I'm going to get some chicken. So he got barbecue chicken and chocolate and ate them at the same time. He ate them at the same time. The same bite. The same bite, girl. The same bite. The same bite.
He heard my sister all the way back home.
Oh, give me 1 second. But yeah, so that man right there, if you see him in the wild, beware. Beware, because he might try to ruin your palate.
After I returned to Oklahoma, I formed a Facebook Messenger group with everyone who came to the dinner that night, and the planning and booking began.
I will be trying to go live a little bit more. I just want everybody to know that I am just very, very blessed. I've got a group of 20 people. We're going to have dinner tonight, 7:25, all in the main dining room. I think everyone is pretty much happy with their cabin selections. They're happy with the service that we've been getting so far. So, yeah, I just really appreciate just taking this time to celebrate. And yes, this is Carol's 60th on the sea. Yes. That number. But it's all good. I'm here with a lot of good friends, a lot of family, and we are just having a great time. All right, over and out. See you soon. Send me a happy birthday.
In the next videos coming up, I'll share some key tips and details on putting together a friends and family cruise. When I began, I searched on YouTube videos and articles on group cruising, but they mostly focus on what the travel agent does, but not too much on the experience you want your group to have. The number one tip I have for this video is to pick the right ship and pick the right cruise line for your group. I picked Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas because I had cruised her sister ship, the Voyager, in 2023. I knew the size, the layout, and what the ship had to offer. It was not small and dated, and it wasn't new and overwhelming. The price per cabin was mid-range, so I felt my friends and family would be able to work this cruise into their budget with the time span they had till final payment. This is Carol with Solo Cruising and More. If this video has entertained or helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more tips coming soon on group cruising.